Do you know what is alternative energy? Alternative energy, or what can be called as replacement energy, is an energy that will replace the main energy if its availability starts to run low or run out. Now, alternative energy tends to lead to solar energy, which is still very abundant on Earth. Solar energy is energy produced from the sun's hot light, which is then absorbed through the Earth's surface, where some of this energy is stored in the bowl of the Earth, or better known as geothermal energy. Currently, the content of solar energy on Earth is still so abundant because it has not been used too much. From the sun's rays produced, about 70% of the total is absorbed into the Earth's surface, and the remaining about 30% returns to outer space. If you imagine the abundance of solar energy that is absorbed into the surface of our Earth today, you can imagine even 1 hour solar energy is able to generate heat and is absorbed into the Earth's surface, then the amount of energy stored in the Earth can even be used as an alternative energy source that can meet the world's energy needs for up to 1 year. Of course, from this description, the alternative source of solar energy stored in the Earth are so many and abundant. With the abundant potential of alternative source of the sun, of course, the availability of this energy can be used to meet the energy needs of replacing coal, petroleum, and other fossil energies. If the Earth's fossil energy is estimated to be depleted and even threatened with exhaustion, but in contrast to solar energy which continues to produce until it never runs out, of course, its availability can be utilized for various needs on Earth. A very real benefit from the use of alternative solar energy is that it can be used as power for electricity. If electric power is still dominated by the use of hydropower and steam power, it will be very efficient if the world's electricity generation starts to be diverted by using alternative energy from the sun. If viewed from the benefit, of course solar energy has far greater benefits than other types of energy, but unfortunately, the energy potential, which is quite abundant, is still not supported by better management. This is precisely what caused the negative impact of the utilization of solar energy. From the amount of solar energy absorption that continues to be produced, of course, the potential of this alternative energy can be developed into energy for world power generation. In Indonesia, the use of solar energy as power generation for electricity, or better known as PLTPB, or geothermal power plant, has also begun to be developed by several large Indonesian state-owned companies such as Chevron Indonesia, Pertamina, PLN, and others. The energy that is produced directly in the Earth's core is thought to be much cleaner when compared to the use of fossil energy, which dump pollution gas in the air. If calculated and compared with other types of energy, the availability of geothermal energy source or solar energy is very abundant. This can be used as the main energy for the Earth that can replace the component of the previous energy. From the immense benefit of the sun's alternative energy for the Earth, of course, there is a drawback which cannot be avoided from its enormous benefit for Earth life in the future.